Best options for eczema remedy. Dermatitis, more commonly known as eczema, is a disorder that affects the skin, making it feel itchy and develop rashes. It frequently affects young children, but it can also be a problem for many adults. Some people with eczema end up itching so bad that their skin ends up bloody. Eczema can affect a number of different areas of the body. Most often, the itching and rashes appear on the hands, feet, knees, or the face. While eczema itself does not usually pose a significant health risk, it can be very bothersome at the least, and potentially very painful. Since it also makes the skin appear rashy or scaly, it can also be embarrassing. The exact cause of eczema is unknown, making finding a perfect eczema remedy more difficult. Many of the people who develop this condition have a history of allergies in their family, and these people often suffer flare-ups when exposed to certain materials. Sometimes just touching rough materials can lead to an eczema flare-up. While there is no cure for eczema, it can be effectively managed so that its impact on a person's life is minimized. This is especially important for children, as they sometimes have trouble resisting the urge to scratch, which only makes the problem worse. Fortunately, there are many different options for those looking for eczema relief. Usually, a combination of different treatments is the best way to deal with the condition. A dermatologist, allergist, or regular doctor can provide some options, and there are also natural home remedies. Doctors will often prescribe some sort of prescription topical creams. When applied to areas of the skin affected by eczema, they can help reduce the symptoms. Many of the medicines prescribed by doctors use corticosteroids, which can help reduce inflammation caused by the disorder. You don't necessarily have to visit a doctor to get eczema relief. Many over-the-counter ointments and creams can also provide limited amounts of relief from eczema symptoms. Antihistamines, which are commonly used to fight allergies, can also be an effective way to manage eczema. Some people's best eczema remedy is the one that they perform themselves, without the help of doctors or medications. There are a number of different herbal mixtures that can be used to help in managing eczema. Examples include turmeric, spearmint, nutmeg, and sandalwood. Many people find that the best way to achieve eczema relief is to make an overall change in their lifestyle. Making changes to the diet, reducing life stress, and modifying the environment can all have positive effects. That means doing things like identifying potential eczema irritants and removing them from the home, as well cutting back on unhealthy foods and snacks. Reducing stress may be somewhat more difficult, but many people learn stress management techniques to help them with this. Since there is no complete eczema cure, the situation may seem hopeless. It's important not to lose hope and test out different ways to reduce symptoms in order to make the disorder manageable.